I have a good life, I have a great family, and I built a great business. Perhaps I shouldn't be saying this, but I'm of the old school. I have to do what's right. I have to do what's right. Knock the crap out of him, would you? Don't give him his coat. Keep his coat.
Maybe he should have been roughed up.
Get him out. Take him out. As a world-class businessman, that's what you have to do.
Donald Trump has many admirable qualities and traits.
I like Donald Trump. He's bold, he's brash.
When people get to know me, they get to like me.
Donald's absolutely right.
Okay, so I just want that on the record.
They all love me. Let's put it that way. They all love me.
I think it's a net positive for everybody.